Frankie here. My brother is so stupid. Look at him. He overslept. Look at him. Wake up. It's iPhone day. iPhone 15, your pickup. It's in an hour.
Oh.
You got the barely blue.
I don't want it. I'm fine.
Dude, it's today. You can't miss it. People want you to unbox it. It's launch day. Just good out.
Just go. Can you go
You want
get
me
it
to
for
get
me?
it? I don't want to be seen with a 60 hertz iPhone, you idiot.
It's not even that different.
Dude, I am not getting it. You have to go get it. People expect this of you. Wake up. All right. I guess we're going without him. It's my channel today. So, we're on our way to the Apple store right now. My brother's just bought the stupid, lame, barely blue 15. Technically, you're supposed to have ID of some kind if you're picking up on a family member's behalf, but we're identical twins, so I look just like him. So I'll get the 15 for him. I'm picking up about 10, maybe 12, 15 Pro Maxes. I'll pretty much get everyone they can. I'm planning on flipping them. I'll probably keep one or two for myself. I could get Apple Care, but I'm usually better off just having a backup in case I break one of them. But we're on our way now. I would be driving my Plaid Model X, but it's getting service, so gotta drive my brother's stupid Model 3. It's so slow. I'm home. It's time. Isn't it amazing? This was by far the worst Apple Store experience I ever had. Shortly after I was just flexing on how I was getting my iPhone earlier than everybody else in line, the Apple Store employees came up to me. Apparently it's against their store policy to have fake Apple IDs so that you can order like 12 different 15 Pro Maxes. So they said I am not allowed to pick up any iPhones other than, of course, my stupid brother's, who's got the blue 15. And you know what? He probably wants to unbox it himself, but I don't care. You snooze, you lose. Literally. If I can't unbox my own iPhones today, then I'm gonna unbox someone else's, even if it is 60 hertz. So let's take a look. Is that supposed to be blue? Did I get the wrong model? Sorry, I don't know much about the regular 15s. Yeah, this says blue. I think they messed up. Does this look blue to you guys? Not to me. Maybe my, nope. Yeah, it's definitely white. That's white for sure. Okay, we've got our braided USB-C cable in the box. Thank you, EU. We've got our little paper here on the front. Gonna peel it back for you. Still pretty satisfying sound. There's the superior connector, although this one's unfortunately limited to USB 2. I was having a good time enjoying my action button in there with the pros, but this dumb phone is still rocking the boring old ringer switch. Like, can I map this to preheat my car or pre-cool it? Can I map this to start recording voice memos? No, I don't think so. Therefore, it's just a dumb ringer switch. Ringer switches should always be on silent, by the way. iPhones should not be making noises for notifications. I will attest, though, it feels somewhat light for an aluminum iPhone, and the rounded chassis, which is a new change both for the regular 15s and the 15 Pros, does rest in the hand a tad more comfortably, I will admit. As much as I hate the fact that this phone is not have the word Pro in the name, it is pretty comfortable. It is pretty lightweight. And I noticed before they kicked me out that the 15 Pros definitely feel a heck of a lot lighter in person thanks to that titanium chassis and the fact that Apple didn't increase the battery capacities like I was hoping to. But don't worry, there's always next year, right? I can make more fake Apple IDs. But the camera bump is quite massive. I guess a lot of people are used to this, but now you have a slightly pro feature with the 48 megapixel sensor coming to the regular 15. Buttons still feel somewhat clicky, which is good. But of course, I'm going to keep using this thing caseless because fine woven is crap. And I want Apple to keep making leather accessories as long as they got leather seats in their Apple stores. But no, Mother Nature's unhappy with those kinds of decisions. So anyway, let me just try to boot this bad boy up here. There it is. There's the logo we all care about. Perfectly matching with the logo on the back. Did my bro at least get frickin' 256? No, he is so cheap. He even got the 128 gig model. How do you guys watch this stuff? All right, there you go. Hey, look at that. Pretty thin bezels for a entry model. This is technically the latest iPhone, but it is definitely not the greatest. In fact, of the new iPhones, this one's the worst. But I do feel right at home. It feels like I'm using my 14 Pro because there is a dynamic island there, which is good. All right, I'm going to set this phone up for him because he can't do anything himself, I guess. Oh my God, this is hideous. I can't believe people are okay with a refresh rate this low. It looks disgusting. Ugh. All right, we're in. It's disgusting, but we're in. Let's try out the camera here because that's all I'm really that interested in. If I hit continue here, hey, that's kind of like my Pro iPhone. There's a 2x button, but there's no telephoto. Okay, so if I do this, ooh, that's actually not half bad when I think about it. And here is the first official video I ever recorded on an iPhone 15. How does it look to you? Not as good as the Pro. So unbearable, basically. Gosh, I can't believe this doesn't support ProRes. This main sensor looks pretty sharp. How bright does this stupid phone get? And whoa, okay. This does get kind of bright, actually. Let's see that beautiful dynamic island in action here. Ooh, while it's no action button, that does look pretty smooth. All right, you know what? I gotta admit, for a cheap, broke person iPhone, this thing is pretty cool. We don't got the glossy back anymore. This frosted glass almost feels metallic, which I like personally, as long as you still got MagSafe and wireless charging and everything. Didn't do a terrible job with this entry model. This is the first year in a while that I don't completely despise the entry. Oh my God, what am I saying? Sorry, I forgot. This has USB 2.0 speeds. This phone is unusable. I should do my brother a favor and just return this for him, but they're gonna kick me out again. So I guess I'll be buying someone else's 15 Pro Max from eBay. But don't worry, if you're curious of Drew's genuine thoughts, I'm sure he'll wake up eventually and tell you how he feels about this new, barely blue iPhone 15. And I guess because we're wrapping up the video now, I should say thank you to all those weirdos that send my brother money for no reason. And he'll catch you in the next one. Take care.